Hello everyone. Welcome back to Wally's Tech World, where we keep you up to speed with the latest technology gadgets. Today, we're thrilled to present our top 5 picks for the best Samsung Galaxy phones for 2023. Links to find pricing on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. These products appear in no particular order, and the list is based on manufacturer-provided data and specs as well as customer reviews sourced from various websites. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This phone is the best phone Samsung has ever made. It has a massive 6.8-inch edge-to-edge dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a QHD+ resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It's powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and has 8GB or 12GB of RAM. The camera system is one of the best on the market, with a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultrawide sensor, a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor with 10x optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom. It also has a 40-megapixel front-facing camera. The S23 Ultra has a long-lasting 5000 mAh battery and supports 45 watts fast charging. Pros: huge, beautiful display, powerful processor, versatile camera system, built-in S Pen stylus, long battery life, 512GB or 1TB storage options, IP68 water resistance. Cons: expensive, heavy, no expandable storage. Next on the list is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is a foldable phone that's both powerful and portable. It has a 6.2-inch cover display and a 7.6-inch main display, both of which have a 120Hz refresh rate. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and has 12GB of RAM. The camera system is a triple-lens rear camera system with a 50-megapixels main sensor, a 12-megapixels ultrawide sensor, and a 10-megapixels telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom. It also has a 10-megapixels front-facing camera. The Z Fold 4 has a 4400 mAh battery and supports 25-watt fast charging. Pros: foldable design, powerful processor, large main display, good camera system, S Pen support, optional, IPX8 water resistance. Cons: expensive, fragile hinge, no expandable storage. Our next contender is the Samsung Galaxy S23, which is a more affordable option than the S23 Ultra mentioned previously, but it still packs a punch. It has a 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with full HD+ resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and has 8GB of RAM. The camera system is a triple-lens rear camera system with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultrawide sensor, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom. It also has a 10-megapixel front-facing camera. The S23 has a 3900 mAh battery and supports 25 watts fast charging. Pros: affordable, powerful processor, good camera system, long battery life, water-resistant design. Cons: smaller display than the S23 Ultra, plastic back, no expandable storage. The fourth phone on the list is the Samsung Galaxy A53. It is the best budget phone from Samsung. It has a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a full HD+ resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It's powered by the Exynos 1280 processor and has 6GB or 8GB of RAM. The camera system is a quad-lens rear camera system with a 64-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultrawide sensor, a 5-megapixel macro sensor, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. It also has a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. The A53 has a 5000 mAh battery and supports 25 watts fast charging. Pros: affordable, large display, powerful processor, good camera system, long battery life, water-resistant design. Cons: plastic back, no expandable storage. And finally, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. It's a foldable phone that's both stylish and functional. It has a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display when unfolded, and a 1.9-inch Super AMOLED display on the cover. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and has 8GB of RAM. The camera system is a dual-lens rear camera system with two 12-megapixel sensors. It also has a 10-megapixels front-facing camera. The Z Flip 4 has a 3700 mAh battery and supports 25 watts fast charging. It has three storage size options: 128GB, 256GB, or 512GB. It has an IPX8 water resistance rating. It has a hands-free flex mode and it can be used as a mini tripod or to control music playback. Pros: foldable design, stylish and compact design, powerful processor, good camera system, long battery life. It has an IPX8 water resistance rating. Cons: expensive, fragile hinge, no expandable storage. So those are the top 5 best Samsung phones in 2023. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this video has helped you decide which phone is right for you. Be sure to do your research and choose the one that fits your needs and preferences the best. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check the links in the description below. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your new phone.